Hello guys. Actually, I'm having a channel of Just Explore with Me channel. So after a long back time, I'm coming here to like making a video of the new product that I bought from Amazon. It's an like headphones. It's an over-ear headphone with power packed features, which is coming from a powerful brand also. Before getting into the video, I have a short description and need to give a specifications about it. Like actually, it's an powerful brand. I told so. It's an Jbl. Actually, it's an ANC, which is called as active noise cancellation. In a budget segment, it's not on budget segment. Budget premium segment. It's like nearly 5,000 to 6,000 range. I bought it from Amazon for 5,900 rupees. Actually, more like audiophiles or audio listeners please need some noise cancellation headphones which cut off the entire noise coming from the surroundings by equalizers, by the means of equalizers, and giving some negative sounds, negative treble sounds or negative bass sounds to the like audio device to cut off the sounds that we got from the surroundings. So it's called as noise cancellations. We will see in later video. So coming to the part, I bought Jbl Tune 760NC. Actually, it's an ANC device which have a powerful bass. Recently launched in March 2022, I guess so. I recently watched many YouTube videos that nearly over-ear headphones and budget over-ear headphones like that, but it won't suit well in compact segment. When it comes to audio, some devices will play the sounds in very low manner, or the bass will fade away in the later years. After 2 to 3 years, it will fade away. So many problems are there, and Bluetooth pairing is also a very big problem nowadays. Wired is transforming into a wireless and true wireless and like that. So in this point of view, we need to have a very clear-cut idea about the headphones, what we need to buy and when to buy, and how to choose the product which is efficient for us, and how much money that we need to spend on that. So by calculating and based on the performance and based on the reviews from the internet, many YouTube videos, I finally bought the headphones. Actually, this is the headphones. It's a Jbl 760NC. So let's get started. Without delaying, just have a like, share and subscribe. After long back time, I'm presenting this video, so please don't mind that. From today onwards, the video will come 2 to 3 videos will come in a week, so don't worry about that. Let's get started. Actually, this is the product that I bought from Amazon. I opened the package, and this is the front portion. Actually, here it's showing active noise cancellation, and it actually, if you are using an Google device or Android phones, it will automatically fast pair with your device. Actually, it's having a latest Bluetooth technology, 5.1 or 5.2, I think so. So coming to the product number, actually it's an Tune 760NC. Actually, it's on wireless headphones. As I told, its MRP is 8,000. Actually, they sell it for 6,000, I guess. I bought it for 5,900. So this is the manufacture date. It's an it came manufactured in March. Actually, let's open the package. Actually, there is nothing mentioned in the box. So let's open the package. I don't have any knife in my room, so I'm just opening with my hand itself. Yeah, I opened it. Yeah, actually opened. Actually this is the box. Oh my god. Actually this is the box. There is no documentations or left inside. I took all of that. So actually this is the headphones. We will keep it apart. Actually first we will read that. Tune 760 NC. Actually it's an back cover. Yeah, here is a quick start behavior, that how to pair and what are the controls that we need and how many times that we need to charge and how to put the charge. Okay, and LED behavior is also mentioned. That actually I used many headphones, wireless headphones, where they don't give like LED indicators. Like it's like that. It's like this. Like see here, it's low battery charging, fully charged. Everything is mentioned in headphones itself. Yeah, it's good feature, I think so. ANC feature, ANC on and ANC off is also having a mention in headphones itself. Okay, this is the warranty card. Okay, coming to headphones, here we getting like type C, type A to type C ports. Yeah, I told like it's an add-on for already existing headphones. This is the one I told about that. And here is the aux cable. Most of the people don't know the exact functionality of the aux cable. Like it's an 3.5 mm jack. In case if you run out of charge, you can directly use this jack, this 3.5 mm jack, to connect with your mobile phone or with your laptop. First we see about the product. Oh, they are giving a cap to protect it. This is the headphones. Wow. Yeah, let's keep all the things apart. Actually, this is the headphones. Yeah, this is Jbl headphones, you know. Actually, we can fold that into this. Like we can fold like this. Yeah. Actually, it's having an adjustable cap also. We can turn and use it also. Okay, like this also we can keep in our bag or but like. Okay, my head is somewhat big, so I need to adjust the like headrest to like somewhat positions like this. So let's turn on this. Actually here I saw something, a power button. Yeah, here you need to long press. You will see some two lights coming in this. So I am just taking my phone. Yeah, here I am long pressing the Bluetooth. So just, yeah, we just check whether it's displaying in this other devices. Yeah, you see that Jbl Tune 760 NC is displaying in the other devices list. So we need to click this to like pair with the device. Yeah, I think it's connected. Yeah, it's asking for a device type. So I just clicking headphone. So because in iOS device some deep developer settings are there, we need to like enable that settings. That's it, I think so. It's paired. Yeah, let's go to Spotify. I'm just playing the music and I will give you a quick review about the thing. Yeah, actually, I'm recently mesmerized and obsessed with a Tiruchitrambalam movie. So I'm just going with the Tenmozhi song. Yeah, actually, I have adjusted the headphones band, so I'm just going to listen. Hi guys. Actually, I have paired my headphones. I'm just playing this song. So I got tested. Here you see that it's completely rested in my heads. You see that. I'm also feeling that it's completely closed because it's an over-ear headphones. We are not able to hear the outside noise that coming from the surroundings. Here I am playing with 50% volume, so I am adjusting to 100%. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually very good headphones. Like it's fully packed inside. The ears are fully packed within the head, like earphone rest. There is no noise coming from the surroundings to like disturb our music, listening to the music. So the overall like packing is good, and I won't feel any disturbance like any irritation or any disturbance to the ears or that, because the ear will, I will take the headphones and show you. The ear will, your ear will go inside this, so you won't feel that much like heavy to the ears. So actually it's a good earphones, I think so, like good one. Actually when you like pushing the volume to the 100%, you will see some pushing, like deep pushing. It automatic noise cancellation feature will be activated like that. Yeah, now I am going with noise cancellation feature. Yeah, here you see noise cancellation feature, so I'm just enabling it. I enabled it. Yeah, it's good only. Yeah, actually the one beep sound will come while you pressing an ANC feature. That indicate the active noise cancellation feature will be it's enabled. So after that you are not getting a single pin of sound from a surrounding. It's very clean packed. Yeah, actually this is the product that I bought from Amazon. Actually it's an bit good only. In my point of view, I have researched about this product very more days, and I took this product and I bought that. So actually I will try this product for one more week and I will give you the complete review, because whenever you are testing the product you need to give a complete review about the product that you have bought from Amazon or something from any stores. So the people who are going to buy these headphones need to understand the complete features that's packed inside these headphones. So yeah, like coming to the end, I am dropping the links of these headphones in the description, as well as the reviews that I see, or some some more features. If I left some more features, I will mention those in the description itself. You can see that. And if you have any doubts or price related queries, or if I miss any updates or that, you can directly comment in this video. I will surely respond in my audible time. Yeah, thank you for the time. Thank you for this video. So signing off, this is Shankar from Just Explore With Me channel. Bye.